Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this cordless 21 volt reciprocating saw. So we'll move over to the workbench and take a look. Okay, so the saw itself comes in this plastic molded case. Instruction manual. The saw itself. 21 volt 1.5 amp hour battery, charger, we've got 4 blades, we've got 6 TPI wood, 18 TPI metal, another 6 TPI wood, and a 10 PI wood. The saw itself feels really comfortable because the way they've designed it with all the weight at the front here, which I can imagine is going to only assist you when you're cutting through your pieces of wood. Rubberized grip, safety catch on the trigger. Okay, in regards to fitting your blades, you twist this collar and then release and it locks the blade in. Just do that. So you slot your blade in there, release the collar, the blade's locked in. We'll just put the battery on. Like I say, it does feel really comfortable in the hand. Variable speed on the trigger, nice touch. Yeah, okay. I'll get set up with a few pieces of various wood and we'll see how we get on. Okay, piece of MDF. Piece of 40mm by 35mm timber. Piece of 35 by 85 rough cut timber. And a piece of decking. we've changed over to the metal cutting blade. We've got a piece of thin steel tubing. I'll just go with that again. Okay, back to the wood blade. Bit of 55 by 35 pine. Okay, after that short demonstration, the battery itself still quite good. I can tell it has dropped off the peak slightly. In regards to the blades, there's definitely better blades out there. The wood ones, they're adequate. The metal cutting one, not so good. I mean, you saw me cut that piece of probably 0.6 of a mil thick tube. It cut it. I did a couple of cuts on it. It was okay. I certainly wouldn't be going any further than 1.5 mil, maybe 2, and I think you'll probably kill that blade. But like I say, there are better blades out there that you could purchase for it. But in regards to the tool itself, yeah, battery definitely needs to be charged up again now because it has dropped off slightly. But yeah, again, as a DIY tool, you might use it once, 2, 3 times a year. It'll be adequate. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.